Hello, YouTube. I want you to meet George. Say hello, George. Now, George is...
Ha! You thought I was going to say hello, George.
Get out of here. Now, George is the owner of this guitar, which needs a lot of help. From what George has told me, the guitar has some issues with it, and he sent it to me to do some work on it. So these next videos that I'll be posting up shortly will be videos of me doing repairs to George's guitar. Now, right now, I'm just showing you the box of the guitar and the condition that it came in. You can see there is a big hole in the box. I have not opened this box yet to see if there's any other damages. That will be this video. All right, George, here's your guitar box. Here is the still sealed, hasn't been opened yet. And I want to get this thing opened up and check things out. So here we go. I do not want to damage this box any more than what it already is, because I have to ship this back in the same box that I got this in. All right, put this away. Okay. So George packed this pretty good. He has plenty of the original packing paper still inside of here. Case looks to be in good shape, considering that, you know, got a big hole in the box. All right, so here is the guitar. I don't see anything else inside the box. Thanks, George. No love letters? So the case has got a little tiny nick right here, and I will get a closer look at that in a minute. But right here, there is the two pieces of trim kind of meet up right here. So if you see the trim kind of overlapping itself a little bit over here, that's what that is. But there's a little tiny nick, and I will show that to him. Take a snapshot of that. Otherwise, the case looks like it's in good shape. So let's get a closer look at what's in the case. All right, George, your Riviera P93 showed up here in gray condition. I've already checked the neck over here to see if there was any cracking going on, and everything looks good. The neck joint looks fine. We did discuss a long time ago that the riser plate here had a small crack in it, and I could fix that with no problem. We were talking about replacing that. So that's fixable. It is a piece of wood, I can tell right there. Gold hardware, 3 P90s, and a nice Bigsby. I might have to keep this for myself. Well, here's the mess that he was telling me about. I guess he had a problem with the output jack. The output jack came loose. He tried tightening it. It twisted and broke the wire off of it or something, or the wire just came off. Now this is that copper clad aluminum wire, which is I don't like copper clad aluminum. I can't stand it. I'd rather have 100% copper than this copper clad aluminum shit. That's why the wire looks like, when you strip them, the wires kind of look like they're a silver. It's because they have an aluminum coating on them. And I hate that shit, because when you solder to them, they tend to break very easily right off the terminal. And I don't mean the solder. The solder will stay. The part that you soldered into the terminal will stay, but the actual wire will break off. And here's the output jack, and here is the volume and tone controls. So everything's here, including a, oh sure, you send me a pack of strings, but you don't give me a love note, huh? And then here is the scratch plate. All right, so she's here. Everything looks good, no problems. I'll give this thing a good cleaning as well. See, there's some smudging over here, and I don't know if that's a scratch. Little scratch right here, maybe. Let's see if I can get that out for you. Otherwise, beautiful goddamn guitar. Shit. George, you may not be seeing this again. I don't know. Other than the videos that I'm going to have of it, you might not be getting this back. Sorry, man. I will oil the fretboard for you. For George's Christmas present, I am going to order him. He was talking about getting a roller bridge for this, and so I'm going to go look online and probably get a Wilkinson's roller bridge for here. I want to measure this out and see what the string spacing is before I do so. That way I can match it up perfect with this so the string spacing is correct and the strings going over the pull pieces of the pickup is correct as well. So otherwise, it's here. Looks like it's good shape. And this is going to be starting off a beautiful relationship with me and his guitar. So I'm going to get started with this thing and be posting videos up as I do the work. So thanks, George, for trusting me with your baby, and I will catch all of you later. Remember, if it ain't broken, don't tarry it.